Okay, and welcome to the vlog. This is entry number 27. We're going to go over what the market's doing, and I just got back in the market yesterday. My target is to make around $300. I don't like that the MACD is on the negative side, but it looks like there's support a little below 297, so we're going to try and see if it makes another move up. Since it broke the 300 mark, recently made some all-time new highs, so we're going to see if it jumps back above there, and just keep our finger on the trigger, because even though all the exponential moving averages look good, like I said, the MACD is still on the down tick, so we're going to keep an eye and be ready to get out just in case. To learn my favorite method, check it out on Udemy, plus some other courses I have, and also to follow every trade, you can watch it on Patreon. And if anything's confusing, check out the What is a Stock Option course on my Udemy site. It's free and explains what a stock option is, and I go over that as well as I can. If there's anything that's unclear, just shoot me a message. As always, don't look for a fair fight.